morning. Right. Have you eaten your breakfast? Huh? Then, how do you feel today? Better. You? Better. What about you, Sasna? Huh? Good. Pretty good. Then, well, right. All of you feel good. Then we can start our class, right? Then we can go for a class, right? Have you all checked your WhatsApp? I have sent a message to you. I have an activity for you. Right? Have you, those who done it, and raise your hand. Right. Only three of you, four of you have done your activities. Right. Write down your hands. Right. Okay. Other rest of the three didn't check that. Right. Because you don't have the WhatsApps. Right. Right. Don't worry, we will do again that activity in this class, right? Right. Okay. Let's start with the previous knowledge, right? Let's start with the. Do you remember that what we have studied in the last class? What we have studied in this unit? What we have studied about this unit? Human organs. So we have started, right? In that we have started what? Excretory system, right? Then your activity is also about that excretory system, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. In that, I have some stuffs to you, right? I will distribute this to you. Don't turn on other pages. Don't until I instruct you, right? Just keep that in the first page, right? Just keep the first page. Right. Have you noticed this vocabulary list in when I send you WhatsApp messages? Right. Have you checked that one? Right. I will give few seconds. I will give few seconds to check that vocabulary. Right. You can check the vocabulary list. If you don't understand any of the word, you can circle that and you can ask after the 2 minutes. Right? 1:30 minutes is enough, I think. Am I right? Right? Right. I will start the timer. Right? And you can start. If you don't know the word, you can circle it and ask to me. The timer is here. We will increase the time to up to 2 minutes, right? Don't go one by one and writing the meanings. Just go through with the words. Just see and read and do you familiar with that word or not? உங்களுக்கு அந்த வேர்ட் தெரியுமா இல்லையான்னு மட்டும் சும்மா செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. Shall I give another 1 minute? You don't know that minutes, but others need that time, right? Am I right? Right. Sasna, tell me what are the words you didn't understand? What are the words you didn't understand? Renal pelvis. Renal pelvis. You didn't heard about that? Right. We will study that in the proceeding lectures, right? Proceeding classes, we will study about it. And other things? Heavy metals. Don't you know heavy metals? heavy metals பாரலோகங்கள் பாரலோகங்களுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் கூடுன molecule weight வந்துட்டு கூடுன உலோகங்களை தான் we will say heavy metals. For example, ferrous means what? Irumbu, right? Mercury, what is that? Eraser. These things, lead, here. These things are called as, considered as heavy metals, right? Okay. Then what else? What about you? Bean shaped organ. You don't even know the beans. What is that beans? Avarai, right? Do you know the Bunjika? Right, Bunjika. In that, do you check that seeds shape? The seed is shaped like this, right? Am I right? Right. This one is called bean shape, right? Then go to the page number 2. There is a task, right? There is a chart. Have you checked that one? Right. In that, the heading excretory organ, excretory product, and excretory foam, right? You can write that from your previous knowledge, what you see in the videos, right? Can you write? Do you want any helps to complete that task? No, right? You can do that because we have studied that in the previous class, right? Am I right? Right. Okay. Right. Write it quickly. You have 1 minute to write. Complete that. Right, we will stop then. Right? Can you see that there is an image? Can you see that? In that there is a blank. There are blanks, right? Right. In that it is talking about urine. Am I right? Right. Right. Before that, we will check about the excretory organs. What are the excretory organs found in human body? Can you tell me the surfa? Lungs, kidney, skin. Right. What is the excretory product from the skin? Yes, you. Louder. Right. Okay. Good. What about next organ? Can you select one organ and tell me? Lungs. Louder. I didn't hear them.
Carbon dioxide and water as exhaled.
Right. It is a foam exhaled air. Right. Right. Next one. What about next one? Last one. The rest of the one. Kidney. Right. Kidney. In that kidney. Urea, uric acid, salt water. Right. Right. What is the form of excretion in the kidney? Urine, right? Am I right? Urine, right? We are going to study about urine today, right? In next activity, what is the product? You have already completed that one in the task 2, right? Now you are going to separate that in the task 3, right? Can you do that? I will give another 30 seconds to fill that. In the urine, we have found urea and uric acid and what else? Salts and water, right? These four items can be found in the these four items can be found in the urine, right? These are the major products. What is the compound we can more found in the urine? Water is more, right? Am I right? Nearly 96%. How much percentage? 96% we can found the water. Rest of the 4% is filled by salts and uric acid and urea. Do you understand? Right. Let's go for the last question. There is a last question there, right? We'll go for that, right? Right. Okay. Do you notice that urea and salts and uric acid, these products are good or bad for body? Good for body or bad for body? Is it good? Urea is okay. Where it is produced in our body? When it is produced in our body? When these products are produced in our body? Can you repeat? Right. You are saying that is those are the useless products, right? Those are the useless water. The water means excess water, right? Am I right? Excess water, urea, salts, uric acids are the waste products. Am I right? Right. When it is product? The question is when. When it is product in our body? When the chemical reaction happens in our body, right? When the for what chemical reaction will be happen? For what? To form the energy. Am I right? And what else? When the respiration. Respiration. Right, when we are running, when we are doing works, the chemical reaction, we need energy. For that energy, chemical reactions will be happen in our body, right? When the chemical reaction happen, these products will be formed. When these products form, these are the bad for our body. So we will say that bad in a word toxic. என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Toxic என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Toxic னா என்ன? நஞ்சு பொருள். அப்ப உடம்புக்கு that is bad for our body, right? Toxics are bad for our body. It should be excreted from our body. It should be excreted from our body. Am I right? அது என்ன செய்யணும்? நம்ம உடம்புல இருந்து வெளியாகணும் என்ன? So that purpose we need a system. We need a system. அப்ப அதுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? ஒரு system வேணும். It's like a factory. ஒரு ஃபேக்டரியா போல என்ன வேணும்? ஒரு system வேணும் என்ன? Right. What is the system we have to excrete that urine? Urinary system. What is the major of right? Okay, we'll move that. What is the question? Can you read that question?
What is the main function of urinary system?
Right. What is the main function of urinary system? Can you simply say that? Just now we have studied that excretion of urine, right? Right. Good. Right. Okay. Write that one in that space. Write that answer in that space. Excretion of urine. Or right. These are the organs you have already noticed that this is the skin and this is the lungs and this will be the kidney, right? These three are the major organs found in the body to excrete the toxic items, right? Right. Already done that. Right. The composition of urine. This one: water, urea, uric acid, and salt. Right. Right. Urinary system. I have said that urinary system responsible for excretion of urine, right? Right. In that excretion of urine, we found major product as nitrogenous products. Do you notice that? அந்த எதுக்குள்ள யூரின்ல பிரதானமாக காணப்படுறது நைட்ரஜனை அடிப்படையாக கொண்ட பொருட்கள் என்ன கம்பவுண்ட்ஸ் சப்ஸ்டான்சஸ் என்ன நைட்ரஜனை பேஸாக கொண்ட சப்ஸ்டான்சஸ். That's why we call that nitrogenous excretory system, right? We can give the special name for that excretory system, urinary system. We can give the special name for urinary system. What is that? Nitrogenous excretory system. Right. Note that also in the task 3, under the task 3. Right. Have you noticed that? Have you written that? Right. Okay. Let's move to that. Right. You said about urinary system, right? Urinary system is not composed of single organ, right? There are many organs found in the urinary system. What are the things you have found in the urinary system? Right. How many main parts? How many main parts you have mentioned that? 4 parts, right? Right. How many? What about this one? Kidney, right? Am I right? Right. Right. This one. What about this one? This is another kidney. Am I right? Right. Right. These tube-like things, not this one. In this one, yellow one. What about this one? What is that? Urinary tract. Another word for that? Urethra. Right. Right. Ureter. Right. What is this bag-like item? Bladder. And under the bladder, at the bottom of the bladder, what is found? Urethra. Right. Right. Okay. These are the 4 parts we have found. Can you write that in that circles? I think there will be 5 circles, but we have 4 items, right? Right, not that 4 items. Do you know the spells? Right, okay, do that. Right. Shall we organize that organs in proper order? Right. Have you noticed that urinary system in somewhere internet or paper or your book? Have you noticed that already? நீங்க பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா அந்த ப்ராடக்ட் urinary system எப்படி அமைஞ்சிருக்குன்னு சொல்றது? Right. நான் உங்களுக்கு without my help, can you order that one? Order one. Right. I have given you the pieces of papers which has the organs, right? Can you paste it in your the given space? You can see the space below here. The task 2 written here, right? You can paste that. You can paste the pieces of papers which can form the urinary system, right? Before that, you can get it into the 2 groups, right? Wait for a while. Right. Can you order that? Right. Before that, let's move to another activity. Right. Before pasting those things, we'll move to the another activity. Thereafter, we can do that. Right. Right. Okay. I will give 1 minute to paste that. Paste. don't you have? Right, I will give that. Right, here.
Thank you, sir.
அந்த ஹெல்ப் பண்ண அதெல்லாம் பாப்பா ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அது சரி. Have you completed that activity? Sir, can you name it? Can you label the organs? Right, okay, you can label the organs. Also. I have extended time up to 3 minutes, right? Right. She has completed, right? We will see that. Here you can see the image. Can you compare with this? You have already completed one, right? You have already completed your task, right? Can you compare with this? Have you paced that in different manner or same manner? Same manner, right? Then you all okay, right? Okay, right? Okay. I have a live worksheet here that I already sent you. You already experienced it in your previous activity, pre-activity, right? Can you help me to complete this? Right. Right, what is the first one? What is the first one? This one? Kidney. Can I move this and drag and drop this here? Right, okay. Then, what about second one? Ureter. Right? Ureters means that there are two, I cannot find the spelling. The first one or third one? Third one, right, okay. Then, bladder is okay, right, then okay, right, okay. Oh, it's not, right, okay. Then all these 4 items will form what? Urine, right? What is the color of urine? Yellow, right. It is not exact yellow, it is pale yellow. We will say that in color, pale yellow, right? Right, okay. Shall we check the answers? Is it correct or not? I will click on the finish and check my answers. Here I have 10 out of 10, right? You got 10 out of 10, right? Right. You all got 10 out of 10, right? Shall we clap that for that? Right, okay. Right, good. Shall we move to the next one, task 3? Right. What is that? Task 3. Okay. How many kidneys we have? Only one or pair of kidneys. A pair of kidneys we have, right? Right. Okay. How many urinary tracts? That means ureters. Ureters we have. Pair of ureters, right? Pair of urinary tract. There is 2, right? How many bladder is? Yeah. One. Only one. How many urethra is? Only one, right? You can count that, right? A pair of kidneys and pair of ureters and bladder and right? These are the main organs, right? Organs or parts of the urinary. Right, okay. Shall we move to the next one? What is that? What is this one? Kidneys, right? How it is a full kidney or half kidney? This half kidney, how can we call that? The cross section of kidney, not heart, right? Right, okay. Right. Here there are some parts. Do you know these parts? Do you know these parts? Right. Complete that. If you know that part, if you don't know any parts, leave it as space, right? And complete the what you know, right? Complete the parts what you know. I didn't give any names there. I forgot to give the names, right? Because I said to refer the things, right? Right. Okay. You have completed almost all part with except some one or two parts. Right. What is the part you didn't know? Can you show me that parts you didn't know? Which one? Right. What is this part? Can you notice this? She didn't know that. Can you help her to find that part? What? Huh? What is that? Right. You don't want that part, right? What about this part? These two? Huh? I didn't hear. Renal medulla. What is renal? You come across with some words renal, right? What is renal? Renal is a medical term for kidney. It's also same. Renal is a medical term for kidney. So this one is the renal medulla. We can say another way, kidney medulla. It's not a fair, right? It's not fair. That's why we say renal medulla, right? What is the shape of that medulla? Right, we will move that. We'll do that. Right, right. Other parts. This part, the outer part of this kidney, how do you call it? Renal cortex, right? Right. Okay, good. How do we call this here? The inner part of the kidney. Huh? Renal? Pelvis. Is it pelvis? The outer part is called cortex. Inner part is called medulla, right? How do we call this one? You already said that medulla, right? Right. Right. Okay. Huh? There are two parts. There are two major parts. The outer part is called renal cortex. The inner part is called medulla. Right. Now you can see here. Right. If we consider this as kidney, here this part is called renal cortex. This inner part is called renal medulla. Right. Okay. Let's move to the next part. There are two pipe shapes, right? There are two pipe shapes. The first one is what? Artery. Renal artery is renal artery. Then next one? Renal veins. Right. Okay. Then there is a triangular part. There is a triangular part in the outer part or inner part. Inner part means inner part. What? How do we call the inner part? Huh? In medulla. In medulla, there is a triangulus. There are lots of triangulus, right? How do we call that? Renal premins, right? These are the important parts you have to notice under cross section of what? Kidney, right? Right. Okay. Shall we check with the answers? Shall we check the answers? Here. Right. Okay. What is that one? Renal artery, renal vein is good. Renal vein is in blue color. Renal artery is red color. Right? Here, what is that? They have called as this one is medulla and cortex and renal. We missed to notice that this area, renal pelvis. That means we struggle to identify here, right? You ask about it, right? In the first, you asked about it, no? Right. That is what is that? Renal pelvis, right? The triangular shape is called what is the thing here? They have missed to label. What is the thing they have missed to label? What we have labeled here? Is there any? Are they have mentioned here? Are they mentioned about the triangular shape? Triangular shape. Go to the Bajali. Premins are Bajali.
No, sir.
They didn't mention about premins, right? So we have to add the premins also with this answer, right? Am I right? Right. Okay. Can you color the picture? Can you color the picture? That should be differentiate the parts. If you select, you can select green, blue, red or something, but different parts should be colored in different colors, right? Whatever the colors you can choose, right? Now start coloring. Right, you will have 2 minutes to do that, right? Yes, Right. Now you are going to play a role play, right? Right. Now you are going to do a role play, right? You can select one of the term from this. You can select one of the term from this, and you have to describe it. If, for example, if it is kidney, I have 2 kidneys, right? I have 2 kidneys or something, right? I am in 13 centimeter in length or width, something like that, right? You didn't know that, no? For that, you can take your textbooks. I will give you 2 minutes to read and found the notes about your product, right? First, you have to select one of the parts. For example, Sasna select kidney. Then you have to search about Sasna should be read the textbook and she has to check search the notes about kidney. But notes kidney can say points check on. You can choose whatever. She can choose kidney. She can choose another one, right? Shall we choose that first? Right. We'll start from here. Right. What do you choose? Kidney. Then you quick. Renal artery. Then you medulla. Renal pharynx. Renal cortex. Bladder. Right. You all know what you select, right? Right. Search at least one sentence. At least one sentence. Start. Yeah, you can take it. You can say more than one sentence, but at least one sentence, right? Some of the things we have missed, we have covered it. Right, have you completed? Don't do it. Huh? Good kidney size size width length until it's. Huh? Huh? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ kidney ಕೂಡ points உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லுவாங்க அதுக்கு அந்த பத்தியை வாங்கிட்டீங்கன்னா சரி அதில் இருக்கு which one you are going to choose? Right, okay. No problem. She can say one thing, she can say another thing, right? But she should say the sentence, but he and அவவே சொன்னதை வந்து அவ சொல்லக்கூடாது சரியா? Right, shall we wind up? Shall we start? Right, okay. Right. What is your role? We will start from her, right? Right. Because we will start to choose from her, right? That's why we start from here, right? Right. Stand up and tell me. Louder, right? Kidney is
The bean shape.
kidney are the bean shape, right? Kidney is
Reddish brown.
kidney is
Reddish brown.
bean shape, right? Kidney is bean shape because we have two kidneys, right?
Yeah.
That's why we kidney are bean shape, right? Okay, then
The two kidneys.
there are two kidneys. There are two kidneys, in our body.
Kidney is a reddish brown color.
Kidney is reddish brown in color, right? Kidney is the appearance is brown, reddish brown, right? Right. Why this? Why this? Because there are lot of blood capillarities. Bring the blood to the kidney, right? Blood என்ன செய்யுது கிட்னிக்கு blood என்ன செய்யுது capillaries என்ன கொண்டுட்டு வருது என்ன அப்படி கொண்டுட்டு வரபடியால் அது it is reddish brown in color, right? Reddish brown in color. Kidney is reddish brown in color, right? Okay, then enough.
Each kidney
Enough. Right? We will leave the chance to her, right? Right. She will continue that.
Kidney is about 30 centimeter.
Right. Shall we note that one? What she said? It is reddish brown, right? Reddish brown. What else she said? What else she said? Bean shaped. Two kidneys, pair of kidneys. Then what else? The length is with long or with long. Long is 30 centimeter. Width is not wide. It is width, right? Right. Then how many? 6 centimeters, right? What else you have?
The right kidney is little bit lower than
The right kidney is little bit lower than.
the left kidney to epicondyle dentin.
Right. Okay. The thing is, she said that the right kidney is little bit lower than the left kidney because it accommodates space to liver, right? That's why it is little bit not in the same planner, right? Right. Okay. Sit down. Good. Very good. Shall we promote the club? Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Next one. You. What about you? What is your role? Renal artery. Right. Then tell me the role. Tell me about your role.
The renal artery supplies blood to kidney.
Right. Renal artery supplies the blood to kidney. Then what else you have? Only one sentence. Right. Good. Very good. Can you clap for her? Right. Then what about you? What is your role? Renal medulla. Renal medulla. Right. Tell me about the renal medulla.
The renal medulla is one of the major part of kidney.
Right, one of the major part. Then
And
renal medulla is one of the major part in the kidney, right? Then,
the renal medulla has lot of phenolphthalein.
right, renal medulla has lot of renal primates. Right. Then what else? What else? What is there anything to say? Right. Okay. Good. Sit down. Right. Can you clap? Right. Okay. What is your role? Renal primates. Right. She chose that medulla, but she chose renal primates. Right. Renal primates located inside the renal medulla. Right. Right. Okay. So tell me that.
The renal primate within the renal medulla.
Ah.
It is a triangular shape.
Right. It has a triangular shape. It is triangular shaped one, right? Am I right? Right. Okay. Triangular shape. Anything else? Right. Okay. Good. Can you come? Right. Others. What about others?
Renal cortex.
Renal cortex. Right. What is that? What about you? What do you have? To, huh?
The renal cortex is a major part of the kidney.
Renal cortex is a major part of kidney. Right. Okay. Good. Major part of kidney. What else you have?
Renal cortex consists of lot of red capillaries.
Right. We have said that kidney is reddish brown shape, right? Reddish brown is more in renal cortex, right? Right. That's because she said renal cortex has lot of blood capillaries. That's why it is what is the size? What is the color?
Because it is in a dark color.
Dark color, right? It is also more reddish brown, right? Right. Compared to other parts, right? Right. Okay. What else you have? Do you have anything? Right. Good. Sit down. Can you come back? Right. Then last one. Right.
And bladder.
A bladder. You are bladder, right?
The bladder stores urine and expressed through urethra.
Can you repeat? Slow down. Things. Right. Tell me that. No problem.
The bladder stores urine and expressed through urethra. The bladder
Urine.
urine and expressed through urethra.
But can you repeat that?
The bladder stores urine and expressed through urethra.
Right. The bladder. You are talking about bladder. Bladder store the urine temporarily or permanent? Temporarily until we get that out from our body, right? Right. Okay. That's good. What is the shape of the bladder? It's like a bag, right? Bag shape. Otherwise, shut. Right. Okay. Good. You can sit down. Right. Clap her. Right. Power has gone. However, we will continue that. Continue our right. Right. Okay. You have the activity on. You have the activity. Sheet 3. Activity sheet 3. You can complete it. I will give 2 minutes, 3 minutes to complete, right? I will give 3 minutes to complete. Can you open the windows? Open the windows because there is no light here, right? The power has gone. Right, you all can see here, right? Right. Yeah, that also. Right. Not the last one, right? Not the last one. The external structure of kidney and internal structure of kidney, right? Those things. Right. Can you read that? Have you all finished first? Right. Okay. You all finished. Right. You can do.
There are panel of kidney in human immune system.
Okay. Have you all correct that one?
Yes.
You feel correctly? Right. Okay. Then.
Each kidney is about 13 cm long and 6 cm wide between and in.
Right. Okay. Good. Sit down. The next one. You read the.
Kidneys are bean-shaped organs.
Right. Then next one. Bean-shaped organ. Right. Next one.
The renal artery supplies blood to the kidney while the renal veins carries away the blood from kidneys.
Right. Okay. Good. You.
A kidney consists of two major parts such as cortex and medulla.
Right. What about you? Good.
Renal cortex is dark in color because it consists of lot of blood capillaries.
Right. Okay. Good. Who else to read? Rest of you. Then you can read.
There are renal premix inside the kidney that is triangular in shape.
Right. You read that. You didn't complete it. Right. Right. Okay. Then you read that. What do you have? The last. Fourth one. Right. Fourth one.
The tips of these renal premix are directed to the renal pelvis.
Right. Okay. What is that? What is the word? Directed to the renal pelvis. Right. Right. Okay. Right. You all have completed that. Can I summarize that one? Can I summarize that one? That means kidneys are bean shaped. Right? Kidney has two parts, major parts. What are they? Medulla and cortex. Right? In the medulla, there are a lot of things. What is this? The name of that things? Renal premix. Right? The renal premix in what is the shape of the renal premix? Triangular shape. Right? Right. In the cortex, dark in color. Right? Am I right? Right. The cortex is dark in color. Right? Why it is? Because
it consists of lot of blood.
right, it consists lot of blood capillaries. Right? In the blood, who will brings the blood to kidney? Renal artery. Who carries out from the kidney? Renal
Veins.
Veins. Right. Good. Okay. Why it is bring that and why it is getting out? Yeah. Why ஏன் அந்த கிட்னிக்கு ரத்தத்தை கொண்டுட்டு வரணும் ஏன் கொண்டுட்டு போகணும் urinary system tell me that you can use Tamil also why blood is coming to the from coming via what renal artery and why it is going out from the Right, okay. What is that word? What is the things we the first the urine? What are the things we have in the urine that is not necessary to our body? Those are not toxic items. Can you remember that? Toxic items should be removed from the body. That means body means blood, right? Toxic items are in the blood, carries to the via renal artery to the kidney, and kidney, what it is doing? Filter, right? Filter the waste product from the blood. Then it is excreted out from the body, right? Right. That is things, right? Then you can go to the last activity here. There is what are the following steps using A to E, formation of urine. How urine is formatted, right? That you can complete that task. Right? Quick. You have 2 minutes to complete it. I can help you. The last one, fifth one is the last one. I can help you. Fifth one is the last one. So it is the E, right? It is E. Then you can order others. Right? Are you struggling to do that? Huh? Shall we do it as a group? Right? You all can discuss and you can do that. Right? You can, Right, have you all completed? Right, one by one, shall we read that? Shall we read that? If you don't complete, no issues, right? We will help you to complete, right? Right, okay. Can you read that first? What is first? Sit down and read. What will be the first? Right. Right. Sorry for that, right? Sorry for the disturbance. And right, you can start. First.
Blood with excretory products transport by renal arteries.
Right, which one is that?
Fourth one.
Fourth one is the first one. That means blood with excretory product transported by renal arteries. To where it is transported? To kidney, right? Am I right? To kidney it is transported. Then which product? What is the product? Waste product, right? Excretory products. What else we can say? waste product, right? It is toxic, right? It is toxic, right? That toxic product is transported to kidney from blood via renal artery. Via na ஊடாக எது கூடாக renal artery கூடாக எங்க இருந்து from where from blood ல இருந்து from where kidney என்ன to where kidney என்ன blood ல இருந்து kidney க்கு excreted product என்ன செய்யப்படும் transport பண்ணப்படும் என்ன அந்த உங்களால போகும். Right, the next one, what about next one? Now you all can say then blood is filtered in the kidney, right? The kidney is doing his duty, right? Right, it will filter the excretory product from the blood, right? Kidney, what is the word? Filter, right? Filter the excretory product from the blood. The next one.
The excretory products are carried by the urine to the blood.
Right, which one is first one?
First one.
Right, the filtered excretory products are carried by the ureter to bladder. Then it is divided into another part, right? It is coming to via the renal artery. Then it is going via carried by ureter, right? Urinary tract, right? Urinary tract to where? To where? Bladder, right? Then what else?
They are temporarily stored in the bladder.
They are temporarily stored in the bladder. Bladder is, what is the shape of bladder? Shark, right? Shark shape, right? It is. If the urine is stored, it is become bigger. If not, it is in smaller in size, right? Right. Okay. Then, what is next one? The fluid is the product is. Right, the clean blood, excretory product is going another way. The clean blood is going where? Clean ஆக்கப்பட்ட அந்த blood எங்க போகும்? Renal veins கூடாக என்ன செய்யும்? Carry it out, என்ன? வெளியில வரும் என்ன? வெளிய carries out என்ன? From the kidney ல இருந்து வெளியால வந்து உடம்புக்கு போகும் என்ன? Okay, good. What about the other activity 3, external structure answers? We have seen that, right? Answers right. Shall we move to the next one? Activity 4. Now we are going to find the kidney in our body, right? Now we are going to find the kidney in our body, right? Can you give me a textbook? Right, okay. First I will show the things, then you can find that, you can demonstrate to me, right? First நான் என்ன செய்வேன், நான் செய்து காட்டுறேன், அதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க செய்து பாருங்க உங்களுக்குள்ள ஒழுங்கினது, சரியானே? Right? சரி, first பாப்போம். அப்ப let's see kidney where it is located in our body, right? எங்க, do you have any idea where the kidney is located? In the backside of body, backside of the body. Oh, good. Then what do you have idea? What is your idea about kidney? Where it is located? I have given a picture in that. Don't see that now. Right? Tell me, cooperate with me to complete this task. Right? Abdominal cavity. It is in the abdominal cavity. Right? What else you have? What about you? Right, okay. We will do that all together, right? We will do that all together. I will help. I will do that. If you keep your hands in the back side, like this, if you keep your hands like this, your thumb should be like this, right? The place you have keep is the kidney. The place you have keep your hand, this is the kidney, right? These two hands indicate the kidney. The tips of these thumbs indicate the location of kidney, right? Kidney is located here. That means in the back side, right? Back side, the two parts, each other, two parts of, in the middle, what we have in the middle? Spine, spine. Mudugalumbuku idu pakkamaga, the both side of the spine, right? Right. Then which side? Back muscles, back muscles. It is located in the back muscles and both sides of the spine. Particularly pulley. What we have called pulley? Abdominal cavity. Right. These three things are the important things you should when you locate that one. Right. Can you check, stand up and check your kidneys where it is located? Right. Like I will out from there. Now, check 1 minute. Right. Okay. Sit down. Right. Can you find your kidneys?
Yes.
Right. Kidney chutney. Huh? What is that? I'll cut it. Right. Okay. Okay. Shall we listen the audio? Shall we listen the audio? Right. The audio is about the location of kidney, right? Right? You have the paragraph to fill that, right? You can listen the audio and you can fill that, right? Before that, we will locate. This is the cross section of our body. Here you can see your activity sheet. You have cross section of body. Can you circle the kidneys? Where it is? In the middle you can find the that there are, it is named some other names, labeled. It is labeled some other words that are not necessary to use, right? Now you are going to amend that, change that, right? In the middle one is the spine, right? Not that one, spine. Can you notice that in the spine of both sides of the spine, there are two places, right? You can form the kidney, right? It is in the stomach side or back side? It is in the back muscle side, right? Right. Now you can understand the location of kidney clearly, right? Right. And you can circle the kidneys. You can see with your pen. Right now you are going to listen audio about kidneys location. Right? Listen the audio carefully and fill that the last part. Right?
Kidneys reside against the back muscle in the upper abdominal. Kidneys reside.
Right? I will repeat and repeat again and again. Say no.
Kidneys reside against the back muscle in the upper abdominal cavity. They sit opposite each other on either side of the spine. The right kidney is a little bit lower than the left kidney to accommodate the liver.
Can I repeat it?
Kidneys reside against the back muscle in the upper abdominal cavity. They sit opposite each other on either side of the spine. The right kidney is a little bit lower than the left kidney to accommodate the liver.
Can I repeat again?
Kidneys reside against the back muscle in the upper abdominal cavity. They sit opposite each other on either side of the spine. The right kidney is little bit lower than the left kidney to accommodate the liver.
Again. Do you want again to play?
Kidneys reside against the back muscle in the upper abdominal cavity. They sit opposite each other on either side of the spine. The right kidney is little bit lower than the left kidney to accommodate the liver.
Right, can I play again? Or enough?
Kidneys reside against the back muscle in the upper abdominal cavity. They sit opposite each other on either side of the spine. The
Kidney
right
resides-
kidney is little bit lower than the left kidney to accommodate the liver.
Can I play again? Sure, right. I will help you, right? Kidney resides against the back muscles. Kidney resides against the back muscles in the upper abdominal cavity. Check your answers, right? Upper abdominal cavity, right? They sit opposite each other on either side of the spine. Right? I made mistake. Spine. It is not spine. What is that? Spine. Right. Thank you for the correction. Right? Right. The right kidney is little bit lower than the left kidney to accommodate the liver. Right? Munsiva said that. Right? Am I right? That point. You already said that. Point. Right. Okay. Good. Right. Now you are clear about location of the kidney. Right? Am I right? Right. Shall we move to the kidney diseases? Right. Right. Here, can you observe these kidneys? There are two kidneys. What is the difference between two kidneys? Left kidney and right kidney. Left has have a disease, right? Then right one is normal, right? Right. The right one is normal kidney and it has damaged one, right? It means damaged means there are some problem occurs in the kidney, right? What are the problems can be occurred in kidney failure, kidney stones, kidney infections? What else you know? Right? What else? Right. Kidney does not function means kidney failure. Right? Right. You can go home and you can search the things what else out of these three, right? And you can WhatsApp me too, because I also don't know what else, right? Right. Okay. And shall we move to the first one? Right. Okay. All right. Note the kidney diseases. What you say in the class in this space. There are three spaces. You can notice that. Right. The power also go for this laptop. We'll use this one right now. Right, okay. What are the diseases you have mentioned? Kidney stones, kidney stone. You can notice here the kidney with the healthy kidney and unhealthy kidney, right? Right. Kidney stones, kidney failure, and other things. Kidney infection. Right. Shall we start from the is the last activity. Yes. Right, right. I will divide into 3 groups, right? Each group has the pairs, 2, because we have 2, 4, 7. We have 7, right? One group will get the 3 members, right? Rest of others will get the 2 members, right? You 2 are the groups, right? I didn't divide. You choose your partner according to your wish. Right? You 2, and you 3. Right? Okay. What is the disease you want to take? Kidney stone. What is the kidney failure? Infection. Right. Now we are going to state the reason for these diseases. Right? What may be the reason for these diseases? Right? Right. I will give 1 minute and 30 seconds to read or search or from the notes or things. Right? Yeah, sure. You can take it. Right. One. Right? Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Let's finish like it. Right. Okay. Right. Shall we start? One should be present then, front of us. Right? One should be present. Right? Who decide who is going to be present? Right? Right. You can keep your notes, keep your books and other things when you are present. Right? Right. Who is going to group 1? Group 1. You. So who is going to be first? Right? Who is the volunteer going to be inside front? Come. The reasons. Right, okay, you can keep. Reasons, Mantu. Only the reasons. Oh, yes. Right, come. Who is going to be present? Right, first, Sasna. For you. Oh, you can keep your books and other things. Go front. Right.
Kidney failure. Entering of heavy.
You are going to be say the reasons for kidney failure, right? Others can take notes, right? Right, okay.
Entering of heavy metals and toxic chemicals into the body. Suffering from diabetes.
Right. What is the first reason?
Entering of heavy metals and toxic chemicals into the body.
Right. Slowly you can read because others want to know that. No. Right. Okay.
The second one is suffering from diabetes for a long time.
Right.
Third one is using drugs for a long time period for certain diseases. Fourth one is smoking and consuming alcohol.
Right. Okay. Good. Can you greet her? Can't you greet her? Clap. Right. Okay. Good. Right. Okay. She said the reasons for the kidney failure is, what is kidney failure? Kidney failure means? Right, good. Kidney does not function. Kidney didn't do its duty, right? Like you, in your home, you are not studying, right? What is your duty? Studying. You are not studying. That means education failure, right? Right. Not like you, right? Someone else, right? One the students, right? Okay. Kidney failure means kidney fails to do its duty, right? The duty is செய்யாம விடுறதா என்னது? That means it's not filter the excretory toxic product from the blood. Then what will happen? It will increase the toxic product in our body and it will poisonous to body. Right? It causes death. Right? Right. Okay. Right. We will see the reason what she stated. Right. The first reason she said is what is that? Entering of heavy metals and the toxic. These metals, when we left to the environment, it will come to our body and enter to the body and it will causes damages to the kidney. Then what else? The second one, suffering for diabetes, right? Diabetes. If a person suffers from diabetes means excess of sugar in blood, right? Blood சீனின் அளவு கூடுதலா இருக்கிறது. அது இருந்துச்சுன்னா it will causes the kidney failure, right? Okay. Then third one.
Using drugs for a long time period.
Right. Drugs taken for other diseases can damage the kidney. நாம் மற்ற நோய்க்காக எடுக்கிற மருந்து kidney என்ன செய்யும்? Damage பண்ணும். Right. Other thing.
Smoking and consuming.
Right. Smoking. The most of the people are smoking in our environment, right? These are consuming alcohols, right? These are the toxic products. Kidney tries to filter that products again and again. Then one day that will fail. Then it causes the kidney failure, right? The second group, right? Go quick. Patronics.
Kidney stones. The reason for kidney stones: not drinking enough water, taking salty diets regularly, not passing urine at proper time.
Right. These are the reasons, right? Right. Okay. Good. Right. Stay there. Right. What is the chemical compound found in the stone? Can you know? Do you know that? Calcium oxalate found in the kidney stones. It's like a normal stone, right? It's a small in size, maybe in the bigger in size, right? It is stuck in the urinary tract or in the kidneys, right? Like that, right? The reasons for that. Can you state the first one?
Not drinking enough water.
Right, enough water. We are not drinking the enough water. We should drink at least 6 liters or one. How many liters we have? 1.6 or 1.5? Right, I don't know. Right, you search that and send it to me. That also, right? How many liters per day a human should be drink? Right, right. Okay. Then the enough water should be reduce the chance of kidney stones. Right, okay, start.
Taking salty diets regularly.
Salty diets, உப்பு தன்மையான சாப்பாடுகள் என்ன செய்யறது? தொடர்ச்சியா continuously taking those kind of foods will causes the stones, right? Produce the stones, right? And the next one.
Not passing urine at proper time.
Right. We will keep stored the urine for a long time. When we feel to pass the urine, we didn't pass that. Keep waiting, right? அது தொடர்ச்சியாக காத்திருக்க வைத்திருந்தால் அதுல concentration கூடி என்ன செய்யும்? அது வந்துட்டு stones தோன்றும். சரி. That's all. Right, all good. Right, okay. Next one. Quick.
Kidney infection. Kidney is infected by microorganisms.
Right, kidney can be infected by microorganisms. That is the reason for that kidney infection, right? What should be done to keep avoid the kidney infection? We should keep clean, right? Right. Okay, you can go and sit. Clap. Right. In this place, I hope that you will notice that when the presenters present the reasons, right? Have you completed that activity? Yes. Right. Yes. Right. Let's move to the next one. Right. Do the assessment is there. Right. The final activity is there. I hope you all remember that whole class today right? You can do that, complete that activity now. You can take the time 3 minutes. I hope to show you a video clip, summarizing video clip. Because of the power failure, it cannot be short, right? I will send you the video clip to your WhatsApp. You can see that, right? Right. Okay. This one, fourth one also. Fourth one is the order, the urine processing order. You should complete how the urine is processed. First, we have seen that, right? We have ordered in the previous activities, right? From that, they have given some organs. Not draw, just show the aroma. Give the organs here and give the organs here and show them. Right. Shall we check the answers? Shall we check the answers? Right, okay. Before check the answers, I will summarize. Can you, anyone summarize what we have studied? At the very first, what we have studied? At the very first? Human organ system. And then human organ system or excretory system? Excretory system, then about urinary system, then the main parts of the urinary system, then the functions of that organs, then how the urine is produced, then location of the kidney, thereafter diseases, kidney diseases, right? Reason for that, and finally reason for that, and at last we have completed this task, right? Shall we take for the answers? Right. The first one, write down the main functions of urinary system. At the very first we have write excretion of urine. Now we have to write urine is which product? Nitrogenous product. Am I right? Right. That's right. But how do you have to write? Excretion of nitrogenous products, right? Right. That is the good answer for that, right? Right. Label the following diagram. At the very first, we don't know anything. Now we have know the things, right? We have learned about the things, right? So we have improved our writings, right? Right. The label A, B, C, D. Right. Okay. Good. For the third one, first they have give the description for that, right? Bean shaped one and the kidneys. The second one, ureters, right? The thin blood tubes, right? Take urine from kidney to bladder, right? Third one, the sac, right? A sac holds the urine until it's time to go to the bathroom, right? The bathroom ಹೋಗಲು ಸೇರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ temporarily, right? Fourth one, right? Urethra is used to get out the urine, right? Right, excretion of urine, right? Right, okay. The fourth, last activity. What is that? What is the order? Can you state the order? Kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. Right, that is the order. Right. This is the first activity. Now we are going to wind up our class. Right. The first activity is you should create a poster. You should create a poster about what is the heading I have put there. Good habits for healthy kidney. Right. We should keep our kidney healthy. Right. For that we have to avoid diseases. If you want to avoid diseases, what we have to do? Right? What are the things we have to follow in our day-to-day life? Right? We should follow that, right? Knowing the things, we should know the things, and we have to share the things with others, right? That's why we are going to create a poster and we are going to paste it in our school notice board, right? For that, you all can individually create the posters, different posters and colors, using colors and other pictures and things. Whatever the size you wish, you can create. You can do with your hand and other things. You can use your computers to create, and you have to bring it in next class, or you can send it the design as a photo to WhatsApp. If you are bringing it, I can paste it in the notice board. Right. Right. How do you feel now? In the very first one, how do you feel? The very first when the class started, you feel good, right? Now you all tired, right? Right. Little bit tired, right? Then we will meet in next class, right? Goodbye. Thank you.